Data is found everywhere. We all deal with lots of data each day. An image can be a data, even a video or a text file can be a data. The messages and the audios we send or speak in a call is also a data. In simple words, anything that contains any sort of information is said to be a data. There is no limitations for the data we create each day or the data we use each day. Many of us may have lots of data. Out of this, some of the data will be very important from the user's perspective. The data may be large and important, so to have all the data safely, we can use pen drives. A 32 GB pen drive will help us store all our data safely. Come on, just kidding. Even if we use external hard disk or our internal hard disk present in our computers, it's useless. This is because of few factors. The first factor is the safety of our data. Until it's our usage, it can be believed to be safe. But once we share the hard disk or the computer, the data isn't that safe. Anyone can use or access and study our data. Let it be a photo or a text file. It's gone. The next factor is its protection. Now here, protection means the lifetime of the hard disk or computers. Once if the hard disk falls down, our data is gone completely, as the internal structure of the hard disk is very sensitive. If considering a computer, then when there is an issue with the OS or if there is a sudden crash, it leads to loss of data and will cost more money to recover it. The last factor is the size of the data. If it is less, then we can use hard disks, or further, for safety we can also have copies of the data in our required place. But the world we are in is filled with data, and these can never be reduced. It is so digitalized that even the books we want to study is present and obtained as e-copy, which can be downloaded and studied in our gadgets. So, as the data size increases, we cannot rely on what we have, that is, hard disks, pen drive, and others. Due to this, we use cloud storage. I have already spoke about cloud in my previous video. To see that, click the I button above. In simple words, the cloud storage is a place where our data is stored in copies and given to us when we need. Having copies of our data will help us to recover the data when one fails. But have you ever wondered where it is saved and how safe it is? All the companies from startup to well developed use data centers to store our data. Now the next question arises, what is a data center? So in this video we will see what a data center exactly is. Do watch the video till the end. Said that, let's get into our topic. A data center is just a place allocated separately to store all the data. Processing that happens and distribution of the large data is also done there. That's all. Today's video is done. I have just explained what a data center is. Wait, don't close. I'm not done. It was just the meaning of the data center. Now let me explain it completely. As said earlier, all the companies will have data centers and the access to that is restricted. Only the authorized people can enter. But why is it so? The data centers are highly important to a company. I don't know whether to say it is the heart or the brain, but even one small error will cause a huge issue to the company. The data centers will have multiple racks arranged with lots of specialized computers with high storage capacity and high speed network. This will always update the data without any loss. All the bank transactions will be updated within a blink of our eye, even when we are too far from the data centers. A Facebook will store all your data in their data center. Due to this, you are able to access any of your data from anywhere, even if it's the first post that was posted few years ago. It's not just Facebook, but all the companies have their own data centers to store their own company and their client details. So now you know what a data center is and where it's used, but how is it done? This brings us to our next point. The data centers consist of large number of computers arranged together and connected with high-speed internet. Any change when committed, that is successful, will be sent to the data centers and stored in their storage area. This is done immediately even when multiple people are using at the same time without any errors or loss. The environment also matters for the data centers. The data centers are arranged in a place that is common to get all the details and data. Again, it's not just that. To run the systems continuously in the data centers, multiple fans and air conditioners are used to cool the systems. Spacing between the racks are also important and to be noted. Now, having all the data at one place can make a person to easily hack if they are good at hacking. If you think that, then that's wrong. This brings us to our final point. Hacking a data center isn't that easy. I'm not saying that it can't be done, but all the data will be stored based on the address and can't be viewed directly by a common user. The address or the data can be viewed by authorized people who are meant to do. And again, it cannot be done if the permission is not given by the person to see their data. The address of the storage is random and the computer can only decide. The deciding is done at the point of requirement. That's it for now. Meet you all in my next video. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, hit that like button. Do share it with your friends and comment on what topic we need to speak next. Don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get instant notification for my upcoming videos. Until then, don't forget to think big.